Here's how to delete a wallpaper on iPhone running iOS 26. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper to see your current wallpaper setup. Tap Add New Wallpaper or tap Customize under your current lock screen to open the wallpaper gallery. Swipe left or right to find the wallpaper you want to delete. Tap and hold on the wallpaper, then tap Delete Wallpaper and confirm the action. You can only delete custom wallpapers. Default Apple wallpapers cannot be removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a wallpaper on iPhone using iOS 26. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.